everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We're always looking to have something cool and refreshing during the summers. Today I'm going to share a wonderful drink recipe and we're going to make this delicious and refreshing virgin mojitos. Let's get started and check it out. For this drink I've taken some fresh juicy green limes because they've got a nice tartness to it and the flavor's very nice. Cut the lime into half. Remove all the seeds and cut it into quads. In case you can't find these in the market, don't worry about it, you can just use the regular yellow ones. Now let's assemble the drink. To a nice tall glass, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add the cut lime pieces. Add a few fresh mint leaves. Using a muddler, just muddle all the ingredients. Make sure the juices are all well released. Once you've muddled all the ingredients, next add a few ice cubes. I'm filling almost half the glass with ice cubes. Now it's time to pour in the soda. Gently pour in the chilled soda. Make sure the soda is nice and chilled. Finally, I'm just going to garnish it with a pinch of salt. This is optional, and give it a nice mix. And there you have it. Here is a refreshing and easy to make virgin mojito. Make sure all the ingredients are nice and fresh so you have a nice, flavorful and refreshing drink. If you're having parties or get-togethers at home, this is a drink that you can make in minutes and you can serve your guests. I've made several other drinks which are perfect for the summer. I'll give you all the links in the description. Do check them out. Well, I cannot wait to try this wonderfully refreshing mojito. It's just a perfect drink for this heat. Of course, in Chennai, it's about 100 degrees here, and I would love to enjoy this glass after my shoots. How about you guys? So do check it out, try it, and enjoy with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.